The players are Elizabeth Alba, Ruby Tubbs, Eliza the Clock, Jennifer Magluno, Elena Vicente, Jocelyn Palma, Majula, Melissa Ann Alepa, Elvira Manalo, Mary Grace Cesar, Ana Maria Ramin, Maria Lovelyn Arciaga, Jenaline Reyes, Merlin Campomayor, and Ms. Melanie Kiambao. The coach is Elby Manalo, the assistant coach, Jocelyn Palma, and the team manager and coordinator is Ana Maria Ramin. Ms. Glyza Gablan, jersey number 3. Jennifer Magluno, jersey number 4. Elena Vicente, jersey number 5. Ms. Jocelyn Palma, jersey number 6. And their libero, Ms. Majula. Ms. Elvira Manalo, jersey number 9. Ms. Mary Grace Cesar, jersey number 11. Anne Ramin, jersey number 12. Maria Lovelyn Arciaga, jersey number 13. And wearing jersey number 14, Jenaline Reyes. Miss Merly Cantomayor, wearing jersey number 15. And Miss Melanie Kimba, wearing jersey number 16. Calling the team captain to receive the team trophy together with their coach, Ms. Elvie and Ms. Beth. Congratulations to the champion. May we call on the dental and the ECC for the group picture of the 3 top winners in this tournament. Final picture, please. Dental, ECC. Raffle number 372. 372, calling all ECC and dental, 1 group picture. 372, are you